Hey guys, so as you can tell, I'm kind of doing like a OnePlus kind of unboxing for everything. I've already unboxed the OnePlus Open. I just unboxed the OnePlus Buds Pro 3. And now this is the OnePlus Watch 2. So this one, I actually did buy myself. So the one when I bought the OnePlus Open, it came with the OnePlus Buds Pro 3 for free. This one I was like, oh, I'm interested in it. So I've been rocking for a couple of years now. I've been rocking the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4 with the Samsung Galaxy Watch 6, I think it was. And so I've been rocking that for about 2 years now. And I don't know. I think the Watch 6 will actually work on the OnePlus. I just got to download the Samsung app. But I'm not, don't quote me on that. I'm not entirely sure. I just went ahead and got the OnePlus Watch just to kind of go with the whole ecosystem. Now, when I did buy this, it came with this genuine leather wrist strap to kind of change out. So the current one is, so I got black steel, and that's to kind of go with the continuity of all black everything that I've kind of gone with so far. But it did come with this. I was able to choose some of the other colors, but I just think like that nice tan leather would kind of work with everything anyways. In addition to black, so I guess I didn't want a color. I think maybe green was another color, and since I didn't get the green open, I decided to just go with the black. So but we'll go ahead and get started with the unboxing. I'm kind of excited to kind of see how this is. I don't know if there's an app I need to download, but I guess we'll find out, right? So go ahead and cut from the bottom. There's a little gap here. Set that to the side, and we'll go ahead and lift it up. All these OnePlus boxes are pretty hefty in terms of thickness. And here's the watch. Wow, it's larger than I thought it was going to be. I don't really have my watch, my Samsung Watch 6 on me to kind of show you the comparison. But that's really nice. I like so the feel of the wrist straps is like the interior feeling. It feels exactly like the rubber that's inside of the case that it came with. It actually kind of feels like the side right here. It's almost like that same material, but this was like a nice softer rubber. So obviously it comes with the watch. What else is in here? What is this? Oh, is this just to help get the watch out? Okay. Okay, so then this just kind of lifts up, and it looks like here is our manual. And so in this sleeve, let's see what's in here. Is there a certain way to open it? Yeah, there is. So inside of here, it does look like it comes with a user manual, and it looks like that's all that's in here. So it's probably a user manual plus safety and warnings, um, which is nice. Comes in there, so I'll go ahead and put that away. And then on the right side, it looks like that's going to be the charging cable and the charging kind of, I don't know what you would call this. So nice USB-A to USB-C. I probably won't use that cable. It looks like a pretty nice cable, probably 3 feet, maybe 2 feet, 2 to 3 feet, it looks like. But I have a lot of USB-A to USB-C cables, so I probably just won't even touch that. But here is the stand, I guess we can call that. The stand for the OnePlus Watch 2. Charging base, that's what it's called. Okay, so looks nice. We'll go ahead and take off that and just kind of set that here. And I'm wondering if I can use this. So I did also get the power adapter with dual ports. I wonder if I could just put the power adapter, plug this in with the power adapter itself. So, because this does have a USB-A and USB-C port. So maybe I can just kind of use this for both my phone and my watch simultaneously. So, and we'll go ahead and put this back in and place this back into the box that it came in. Pretty simple. Nothing too much. It looks like, again, just the watch, the cable, the charging base, the instructions, and that's pretty much it. That's pretty much everything that's in here. I'll kind of close this so you guys can kind of get a closer look at the watch. So I think it's this way, right? Yeah, so this is the way the watch is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take off that sticker. Yeah, here. So, and then does these peel off too? Yeah, it looks like. Can I just pull this though? I don't really want to pull that. Maybe I do have to. It feels very strong. Did these just come out? All right, well, that's not very. Okay, those kind of just. I didn't like the way that came off, to be honest. That felt more forced than I would have liked it. But here's the watch. I'm probably going to get a screen protector for this. I have a screen protector for my other one. I'm wondering, you know, size wise, my other watch, the Samsung Galaxy Watch face might actually just work for this. The screen protector, I mean, it might just honestly work for this one. So I might just go ahead and test that out. I mean, any kind of protection is going to be nice anyways, but I like the way it looks. Let me see if I can put it on my arm. I have fairly small arms too, so like this might look massive on me. I don't know if this is like a one size fits all. I don't remember seeing additional sizes, but I could just be completely wrong. Actually, this is not as bad as I thought it was going to be. Um, so that's how it is on wrist, right? So looks good. I like it. Let me see if I can. Yeah, so this is how it is on wrist. All right. And I like the way it feels. It doesn't feel too restricting. I might also explore. Yeah, it looks like it does use standard watch band. So more to come on that whenever I do my full review of after using it for a while. Um, but that is my unboxing of the OnePlus Watch 2. Hope you guys enjoy it. Thank you so much, and I'll see you guys in the next one.